from Zuru Toys and it's season 2. Let's open it! Oh my god. So much. What's this, guys? Look, I have a good feeling about this. Look. Let's see what this. Oh, it makes colors, guys. Look, it makes different colors. Oh, so cool! I love it. And we got. Oh my god, we got a giant. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna find out what's inside. I'm so happy. We got loads of them. Oh my god, guys, can you see the hair sticking out? Oh, maybe it must be her hair. Like he or her hair. Oh my god, it's so cool. So cute. Let's open it. Got the list and on top it says Leo and Lola. And here it says Jazz and Flash. Nice names, guys. I love all of their names. Bella and Chico. Nice. What's Chico? Nice. Funny name. Nice. And then we got Luna and Hutu. Suspicious name. Then we got Coral. Oh my god, that's a beautiful name. And we got Poppy. Oh, so cute. Then we got Willow. Oh, they're like two pandas. And we got Paco. And then we got the golden one. Glimmer. So guys, I'm going to tell you which one I want. I would like to get Jazz or Flash. That's the one I'll get. And I would like to get the Glimmer one. Yeah, I would like to get those ones because they're really cute and pretty. Yeah, so yay! I'm going to choose which one. Okay. Oh, something that's looking suspicious. I'm looking at the one. Okay, I'm picking this one. Let's stick with this one. Okay, so let's put this in front. Oh no, we have to put it at the back. Yeah, back. Let's put it. Because then, okay, when we put that there, hopefully it doesn't say. You know, these are the stuff that will be inside the rainbow corns, okay, the packaging. And it says it has sweet scented rainbow corn. Ooh, I love scented. So when it's inside, I'm going to keep it forever. Okay, and then this one is rainbow corn poop. Rainbow corn poop. Then we got some surprise accessory. Ooh, let's see what's going to see inside. I'm so excited. And then we got boo corns. Yeah, it's like a pencil. It's like it has a colouring pencil and you put them on top. Then we got stickers and more. Ooh, let's find out what we get. Look what I found. I found this and it says I love to sleep. Ooh, let's see. Maybe it must be somebody like who sleeps? Like who actually sleeps? Okay, let's go. Need to be very calm. Let's see what it is. See what we find. Let's see what we find. What do we find? Whoa, what is it? It looks like leaves, guys. Comment down below, what do you think it is? Like, take a nice look. See what do you think it is? I think it's like leaves hanging from a tree. Someone, I think I know. Oh my god! My nose is look at that, guys. So yay! Oh, look at her, she's so cute. She smells so good. She smells like flowers. So cool. And guys, by the way, her name is called Paco. What a nice name. She looks so cute. Look. So guys, we got more stuff in here, so let's see what's inside. Okay, this is where the Boo pandas, and I think this actually comes in this. We don't know, it's a surprise. Okay, so let's open the poop, I guess. Oh my god, it's stick to it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it's pink. These are my favorite colors, guys. Look, let me open it. So cool. Check it out. The purple is stuck. Get out. Ooh. It's stuck. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this purple out. No! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put that down. Oh my gosh, it fell. Yeah, I got it. Guys, this is it. It got munched up because when you take it out, get munched. Look guys, look at this. It has pink, yellow and purple. So cool. I love it so much. It's like, ooh, nice. I want to play with it all day. Okay, so let's put that down here. Now let's open the Zoo rainbow corns and see what the surprise is. Imagine if it's going to be like, oh. It's done. Brilliant. What's that? What's it? Oh, no. Oh my god, it's a bracelet. Yay, I'm going to put it right here. Look at guys. Look at the little Paco. Look at Paco. She's so sweet. She's so cute. She's with her bamboo. Oh, so cute. Stickers. Look, so we got Paco again, and we got this little what's her name? Chico. We got Chico. And we have, I think we got Flash, Flash, then we got Hootie, and now we're on the second one. Okay, so let's open. Ooh. Oh my god guys, it says I love glasses. Like, not glasses like the windows, guys. It's like glasses where you put on your eyes. Like this. Oh my god. Guys, check a look. Look. So cool. Oh, it's all done. Just for you guys to see, this is what it is. Okay, let's start. Start with opening. Are we done? Oh yeah, keep it. Where are we going to put this? Can I put it here? Just in case. No? Okay. Ah! I'm going to open it still. No. This and the heart are little clue. This one is a very little clue. This one might be the big clue. Hope we're going to see what's inside. So let's open it. See what it is. Okay. Let me see. Guys. What does it look like? Snowflakes. Snowflakes, guys. Snowflakes. We found the clue. So let's open this. That didn't fall again. Look at the bag. Snowflakes. It smells so good. I'm about to face now. It smells so good. It's an owl. Let's see what her name is. So, what does she look like? Guys, it's Hootie. Hootie. It's Hootie. Look, she looks so beautiful, and she smells so nice. I want to smell her. Again. Did you know that there's a clip here, so you can put it in your hair, or you can put it on your rainbow corn, like this. It's gonna look so cute. Okay guys, let's put the heart down here and start opening these surprises. Okay, let's open this surprise. There you go. Oh! It's a different colour, guys. Look at the different colour. And guys, it's yellow, it's gold at the back with sparkles. Look at her, she looks so cute. She loves reading books. So cool. Let's put it in my other wrist. So cool, guys. Okay, guys, we have an egg. Let's see what's inside the egg. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So cute. She looks adorable. Adorable. And guys, look at her wings at the back. She got little butterfly wings and she got some real wings at the back. Look, guys, she looks so cute. Yeah, I want to squeeze her. So cute. So guys, let's put her here. Now we have opened this. Now let's see if this has different colours or the same colours. We don't know. Let's see. Must be the same colours, right? Guys, it's the same colours. Wait, what? Oh no, it's the same colours. Well, it doesn't matter. I still like the colours. So cute. We're on our third one. Now, let's see what we have. It's going to be a mystery surprise. Let's open it. Ooh, I love the beach. So cool. Guys, comment down below if it's I love the beach or I love the island. Ooh, don't know. It's a different kind of colour. It's like white, the heart. I can see it. Ooh, okay, let's open let's take this first. Oh. Let's put that down there. Okay. Guys, now let's see what we get. Oh. Oh. Guys, it has like a little, like, what do you call those? Pineapple juice! Pineapple juice! Oh, pineapple juice. Like, it's like Hawaii. Hawaii. This one likes Hawaii. Ooh la la la. Gonna go trip to Hawaii. Okay, let's open it. Hawaii. Oh my gosh. Oh. It just came out. Okay, let's see if we get this. Let's just take it from that, you know. Oh. Okay, let's open it like this. Oh. Oh my darling Jesus. Hawaii. Come on, do the Hawaii dance. Hawaii. Hawaii. Okay, let's put it here. Maybe she likes Hawaii. Okay guys, let's see what her name is. Her name is Poppy. Poppy. Poppy likes Hawaii. Here's a trick for you. Okay, so now let's see what we have in here. Okay, let's open the unicorn. Another cute present. Hawaii. You like Hawaii. So embarrassing. Hawaii! Oh my god, it's a picture of her as well. Ooh, Hawaii. I love these dancing moves. Okay. We have the egg again. Let's see what we have. Oh guys, this is the same one, but wait, it's a different one. It's kind of cute, guys. So cute. Let's put it here. Hawaii. Hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray. Ooh. Guys, I love her. Oh! Guys, look what I just saw at the back of her. She has wings. She can fly. Hawaii, Hawaii. She's like Hawaii, Hawaii. She can fly, guys. So good. Like this. They're really scented. They smell so good. They make my eyes shine and it makes me cry. What a happy time. And I love about the heart. The heart, like, it gives everything. For this one, it gave her like a compliment and a clue. For all of them, they have like a clue. I love them because, like, when you can sleep, maybe you're like, oh, I'm so sleepy. And then you can, when you have them, you'll be like this. Oh my God, they're so comfortable. You're gonna have a good sleep when you sleep with them. Like this. I'm going to be sleeping with them tonight. I hope you liked my video. It was pretty fun opening this. I hope you liked it. Subscribe.